What if a natural compound hiding right inside the skin of black grapes had the power to influence your body's energy production, your insulin response, and your levels of inflammation? That compound is resveratrol. You've likely heard the name, but you can actually find it sitting right in the produce aisle, mostly in dark grapes, blueberries, and even peanuts. Interestingly, these plants don't make it for us. They produce resveratrol strictly for their own survival, creating a chemical barrier to fend off environmental stress and fight off invading infections. So, how did a simple botanical defense mechanism become a massive obsession in the human wellness industry? To see if the hype holds up, we have to look past the grocery store marketing and dive directly into the microscopic mechanics of human biology. When we leave the plant world and zoom into the dormant landscape of a human cell, things get interesting. Researchers have found that resveratrol interacts with a very specific biological pathway, narrowing their focus to a protein known as SIRT1. This diagram shows what SIRT1 does. You can think of this central hub as the body's master metabolic control system. It dictates exactly how our cells utilize and distribute energy. It also manages our cellular response to internal stress and governs overall metabolic function. The reason resveratrol commands so much scientific attention is that it appears to act as the catalyst that activates this otherwise dormant control system. Cellular mechanics look great under a microscope, but we need to see measurable results in actual human trials. This chart shows a major finding, an improvement in insulin sensitivity, demonstrating an optimized ability to process blood sugar. A second line shows a measurable decrease in harmful inflammation markers. A third metric reveals a positive impact on actual cellular energy production. With improved insulin response, lower bodily inflammation, and better cellular energy, you get the specific data points researchers use to link resveratrol to healthy aging and long-term metabolic efficiency. But here is where we need to draw a hard line between promising biological data and internet marketing. Human trials have not proven that resveratrol stops the aging process. It does not drastically extend your lifespan, and it is not an outright cure for disease. Rather than treating it as a miracle drug, it is much more accurate to view resveratrol as a potential tool to support a healthy lifestyle. True long-term health relies entirely on an unshakable foundation built from 4 pillars: nutritious food, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and active stress management. While resveratrol can provide additional support, it cannot replace the baseline work of these 4 pillars. Because of this, if you are considering adding a resveratrol supplement to your routine, especially if you have a pre-existing condition or take medication, you need to consult your doctor first. Scientific discovery will continue to hand us new tools, but the ultimate authority over your long-term health is still determined by your daily habits.